Coming up, the twins hit the beach and stumble upon one of the greatest ever fish catches.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Come on!
After a fair few rainy days, the sun is finally back out.
Wow!
Let's go hit the beach.
What? Jeepers creepers.
The twins have really missed the sunny days and plan to make the most of this one.
Oh, that looks like a great place to take a dip.
Wow!
Let's go.
Nice.
Remember, kiddos, there are a few small rocks under the surface of the water, which could be sharp. Let's put on our booties to protect our feet.
The water was a little cold for the twins. No worries, it's just as much fun to play on the sand.
Wow, what a day. Just perfect. The twins were having the time of their lives. But suddenly, whoosh, a rare creature appeared. The twinnies couldn't believe their eyes.
Wow!
Whoa, check out this stunning bird. It might look like a hawk or a falcon, but it's actually an osprey.
Nice.
What a rare and exciting sight. It's one of the most spectacular birds of prey around. Look, it's hovering. Oh no, Dad, hold the camera steady, it's going in. And now it's dive bombing. That means it spotted something, probably a fish. Missed it this time. Better luck on the next try.
What a special moment. The twins are feeling very blessed and excited, and they are super pumped up.
Okay.
What a very special day. But the twins were left wondering, could a person hover in the air like an osprey? Have you ever seen a human fly? It's a big mystery. But wait, the twins spot something way out on the headland. Could it be the answer? Coming up next, they set off to investigate. Thanks for watching. Now it's time to start your own adventure.
Goodbye.